All right, get out your science notebook. You're going to turn to page 46. Write your date in the corner, and we're going to talk about weather around the world. Hey, after you write your title, you're going to take the outside edge of your paper and you're going to fold it over to the red line. Hey, you can still see date right up at the top where I wrote it. That red line right there is where you're going to fold your page over to. Then you're going to take that folded edge that was right here and fold it one more time over to the red line. Okay, so that when you open it up, you're going to have 4 columns that you're going to record some data in. Hey, you're going to use the area over by the red line to write down. We're going to write location, time at home, their time, temperature, and cloud cover. Now, the locations I put at the top, I put Odessa for here, Beijing, China, Buenos Aires, Argentina, and Disney World. Hey, I'm fixing to show you the forecast that I went to weather.com and got to get the data that goes down here. With your parents' permission, you can go to weather.com and pick your own 4 locations. Just be sure you record which locations you pick if you decide to do different ones. Okay? And when you fill it in, you want to put the time that you're doing this now as your home time. Okay? And then you want to put their time, and I'll show you here in just a minute. It'll show you where their time is. All right, so here we are at weather.com. Okay? You can type right here, Odessa, Texas. Okay, this is what I already pulled up for Odessa. And so you can come over here and it tells you that right now, when I typed it in, it is 11:01 a.m., so that would be our home time. Okay. They updated this at 10:45. This was their latest readings at 10:45, so that's going to be their time. And right now, it is 45 degrees Fahrenheit and partly cloudy. So then I went here and I typed in Beijing, China. And so now we're looking at Beijing. Still 11:01 our time. But right here it tells you that this is February 28th at 12:30 a.m. their time. Right now it feels like it is 30 degrees Fahrenheit and it is partly cloudy. And since it is 12:30 a.m., instead of a little sun peeping through, they have the moon peeping through. Okay, then I went here and typed in Buenos Aires, Argentina. It's still 11:01 a.m. our time when I'm looking this up, but this was updated so that it is February 27th at 1 p.m. their time. Right now it is partly cloudy and 72 degrees Fahrenheit. Now I went and typed in this one. I've gone to Walt Disney World. Okay, it's 11:02 our time. Their time, or when this was updated, was 11:25 a.m. And right now it is 55 degrees Fahrenheit and cloudy. They actually do have a chance of showers today too. So now you have the option. You can either record the locations that I put down and the information I got from weather.com that is on this this video right here, or if you have your parents' permission, you may go to weather.com, find 4 of your own locations, record the time that you're getting your information, record their local time, record their temperature that they're at right now, and their cloud cover, and fill it in for each of the 4 places that you pick. Now below your data table, you're going to write 2 to 3 comparisons between your locations. For example, you can write that Odessa and Beijing are similar because, and then fill in the blank. Or you can write that Odessa and Beijing are different because. You can pick which locations, you can pick which things you're comparing, if you're comparing their temperature, their cloud cover, hey, any of that data that you wrote in your table above.